What's the opposite of sorry? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's your girl Ada. We're on the streets of Lagos, live and direct on Parrot TV. We're here to ask some few Lagosians, some few questions. So stay tuned and enjoy. Thank you. So please, do you know the opposite of story?
Of what?
Sorry. What's the opposite of sorry?
The opposite of sorry.
Yes.
I don't think it has opposite. Sorry is sorry.
Sorry.
Yes.
I don't know.
Sorry. Opposite of sorry.
Yes, opposite.
Wow. Sorry. Is he not angry?
Sorry.
Yes. Sorry.
No, it's this unexpectedly. I can't. In fact, opposite of sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
I think I'm out. Opposite of sorry.
Sorry, like opposite of sorry. You know everything. Sorry, opposite.
Sorry. I didn't know.
Sorry, you say what?
The opposite of sorry.
Sorry. Apology or something.
I don't think sorry has an opposite.
Sorry has an opposite.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry, it has an opposite.
Doesn't have opposite.
No, it has an opposite. Yeah, sorry has an opposite.
No.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, very sure. It
Why
doesn't.
did you say sorry doesn't have an opposite?
I said I don't know. Don't cast me. Let me say please.
Oh, please.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, I guess. I guess thank you.
Sorry, thank you. Why did you say thank you?
If you are not sorry, then you are thankful. I guess.
No vex.
No verse.
Yeah.
Like in English.
Sorry. I don't know. That was what you said.
Okay, thank you so much.